Hello, this will be my final tutorial for basically all of Google Drive. I'm now going to be showing you how to use Google Forms. We're going to go to our Google Drive and hit New in the left-hand corner. As we scroll down, we're going to hit More and hit Google Forms, and it'll bring you up to the Google Forms page. Like before, in the left-hand corner, we're going to want to title our form. We're going to do Test Doc. If we go over, you're going to see there's different themes we can do. Choose an image, different colors, background colors. So I really like this blue, or even this green. So as you see, it'll all change, and we can different shades can be my background color, different font styles. So we're gonna make it decorative, and I like the purple, so we're gonna go back to purple. Then we can preview it, settings, and we can send it to people like before. Test doc, there's a description, so we can make it anything you want. If you were sending this to like a team, they need to do order, so we could do food order for the weekend. So that would be that, and we can go to our questions. We could do breakfast options. And in here, there's different images we can insert. In option 1, we could do pancakes. Pancakes is another option. We can add an option, an omelet. We hit enter, and it hits another option, cereal, oatmeal. So it's great. We can do check boxes. So if we hit here, we can do a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes. So they could check which ones they wanted. We could do a multiple choice where they have to select it. A drop down, you could upload a file, different types of scale, date and time. If we go over here, we can add a specific question. So if we wanted to do next could be lunch options. Or we could make it easier by hitting, this is an import question. So you could import a different form to make it easier already. This is different. Add a title and description, add an image, add a video, add a section. At the end of each question, you'll be able to see if it's a duplicate, if you want to throw it away. And you can also make these questions required. So if you wanted to make sure they didn't have to eat breakfast, they could eat breakfast on their own, but they had to pick a lunch, that could be made required, so they couldn't submit the form without it. And then the next button would be a description, go to the section based on answer, or shuffle option order. So this is a great way if you were doing this with a team, or if you were if you were a teacher in a class and you need to know a thing about type of exams people want. You could do your questions, you'll be able to see how many people have responded. If you're accepting responses, you can create a spreadsheet through the responses based on all of that, which is great to make it easier for you. You can get email notifications for responses, select the destination, download responses, or delete all responses. So this is great for when you're actually getting them back to see out of how many people you sent to, who you sent it to, and create an organized way. So Google Forms is really good about getting information from people when you need it in a timely manner and in an organized way. So I hope this was helpful.